I have always been very confident and very upbeat about the future potential of India. I think it is a great country with great potential. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This quote embraces a deep brief in India's future growth and potential. The quote conveys confidence in India's capabilities and optimism about what the country can achieve. The words very confident and upbeat suggest a positive outlook on India's progress, while great country with great potential emphasizes the nation's inherent strengths such as its culture, economy or human capital that could lead to future success and development. The statement likely reflects a belief in India's ability to overcome challenges and continue its trajectory toward becoming a global power. The quote reflects a strong sense of optimism and national pride, highlighting India's upbeat potential across various dimensions such as its economy, culture, talent and geographical standing. When someone says that are very confident and upbeat about India's future potential, it means they have faith in country's ability to grow and succeed despite any current challenges. Here's our deeper breakdown. Confidence in growth, economic potential, culture and social strengths, human capital, global role. Now first is confidence in growth. The speaker believes that India's future is bright with ample opportunities for development. This could be due to various factors like India's large and youthful population, technological advancements and growing influence on the global stage. Confidence comes from a belief that India will harness this resource to achieve even greater success. Now next is economic potential. India has one of the largest economic in the world with rapid growth in industries like information, technology, pharmaceuticals, manufacturing and renewable energy. The phrase great potential points to the possibility for India to continue growing its economy and becoming a global economic leader. Now next is culture and social strengths. India's rich culture, heritage, diversity and democratic values also contribute to its strength as a nation. Its traditions of innovation, spiritual depth and intellectual contribution positions it uniquely in the global arena. Now next is human capital. India has a massive workforce with a high percentage of young people. This demographic dividend could be a major driver for growth. With better education, healthcare and opportunities, India's workforce could become a global powerhouse in various sectors like technology, engineering and medicine. Now next is global role. India's strategic geopolitical position along with its active participation in international organizations strengthens its potential to influence global decisions in areas like climate change, trade and security. In summary, the quote captures a positive forward-looking vision of India's capacity to overcome challenges and seize future opportunities, driven by its inherited strengths in economy, culture and human resources. Thanks for watching.